Hi there pluckers, it's Ivor Sawfinger here with part 2 of the question videos. Okay, right, we've done the tuning, which is probably vital. Hope you had success with that without breaking anything. Yes. Right, we're going to now do the introduction, okay? Now, obviously, I appreciate that the strumming on this number is quite fast. If you watch the Moody Boos playing it, it's quite a fast strumming piece of intro. So I'm going to try and simplify it and take a lot of the strumming out of it, so that at least you can learn to play it, and as you get more into it, you can try and speed up or your strumming or do a faster strum. Okay, so now you're in the right tuning. The actual fingering is relatively simple. Okay, so we're going to do the first part of the introduction is basically 2 fingers. He's playing it with 2 fingers. Okay, and we start on the 12th fret. So I'm using, obviously by all means use whatever fingers is comfortable for you, okay, but I am going to use my 2nd and my 3rd finger. I place the 2nd being this one being the 2nd, and this one being the 3rd. Okay, so I'm playing putting my 2nd finger on the 3rd string, the 3rd string on the 12th fret, and my 3rd finger on the 1st string of the 12th fret. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And and then the first strum is on that shape. Then you slide it down to the 10th fret. The same shape, goes exactly the same shape down to the 10th fret. Then it goes down again, same shape, don't change your fingering, down to the 7th fret, and finally for this piece of the intro down to the 5th fret. Same shape, no change in fingering. Okay, and you end up with this sort of thing. So, and on the record obviously it's a lot quicker than that, and there's a lot more strumming going on, like okay, but work up to that by all means. But if you're not comfortable doing that sort of strumming, then just do it very simple. Okay. So that's that bit, okay, and then it goes into another fairly simple piece. All you need to do is the first finger across the first 4 strings, okay, and you start on the 3rd fret, just 1 finger, that's it, and then after that it goes up to the 5th fret, same shape, don't change the shape, back down to the 3rd fret, and then down to the 2nd fret, and then repeat that sequence. So it's 3, 5, 3, 2, okay? Right, so, and the strumming, again, we'll try and simplify the strumming, okay? So it would be something, if you're trying to simplify it, it would be something like this. Try not to hit any of the other strings, just the first 4 strings, okay? Otherwise you might get some odd sounds, okay? Discording type things. So try and just hit the top 4 strings, and it's sort of doing all downstrokes on that. Obviously in the pucker version there's ups and downs, it's quite a that sort of thing, but just to keep it nice and simple for the time being, we'll just do the downstrokes. Okay, so from the beginning of the beginning of the intro till we get to the second part of this section, I'll do that for you in slow, fairly slow timing. Okay. Okay, you got that? Right, I'll leave you with that, and then come back for video 3 when you're comfortable with what we've just learnt. Okay, so see you in video 3 for the next part of the question. Bye.